If you're looking for a treadmill to get your steps in during the day, this video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth. Let's take a look at this walking and running treadmill by TheRun. First up, let's talk about portability. Most of the time when people buy these treadmills, they get these low profile models because they want to be able to get it out, exercise, put it back away, and not have a treadmill in sight all day long. This treadmill fits that profile very well. It's got this bar for stability, so if you want to be able to hold on, see your display up high, or use it in a freestanding capacity, not under a desk, you could do that with this stability bar up. Or if you want to use this as an under the desk treadmill, you just fold the bar down and it will still work with the bar folded down. Most treadmills of this design do have wheels on the front so that when it's time to put it away, you can move it around easily without scratching up your floor. Now, one thing that's cool about this model that's different from other similar design treadmills is it's got two displays. One display up here that shows you, whoops, I turned it on. One display up here, which allows you to go speed up and speed down. It shows you miles per hour. It also has a program or memory function button up here, and then the start stop, of course. There's also a display down below where you would normally expect it in a traditional design, and that shows you distance, speed, time, and other information. Comes with a pretty easy to use remote. It's got a wrist strap, speed up, speed down, memory or program. So if you prefer to start out at 2.5 miles per hour, for example, you can turn it on and hit memory and it will go straight to your preset speed. Unfortunately, these remotes are a little bit particular in that you have to point it directly at the display in order for it to connect and for the remote to work. I figured that out when I was running at about 4 miles per hour. Now I know. You can't point it up in the air like this when you're running along. You have to point it at the display and get a good straight line of sight on that remote. Enough details, let's go for a walk. It's got a safety strap on here like most treadmills do. It won't work without the safety strap in place. It's got a little slot right here to insert a tablet or a phone for a guided workout. A lot of treadmills give you a 3-2-1 countdown. This one gives you a 5-4-3-2-1 countdown, and it starts out at 0.6 miles per hour. So here's what 0.6 miles per hour looks like. Here's what 1.6 miles per hour looks like. Here's what 2.6 miles per hour looks like. Here's what 3.6 miles per hour looks like. Here's what 4.6 miles per hour looks like. Here's what 5.6 miles per hour looks like. And when you hit the start stop button, it gives you a nice safe slowdown instead of coming to an abrupt halt. Now the full range of speed for this treadmill is 0.6 miles per hour to 7.6 miles per hour. A lot of these low profile treadmills are just walking pads. This one is unique in that it's for walking and running. My stubby little legs don't go much faster than 5 miles per hour, but if you can go 7.6, kudos to you. All in all, it's a decent design. The remote is just a little bit finicky, but it helps having the controls on top in case you don't want to use the remote or in case you can't get it lined up when you need to. Having the stability bar option and functionality when the stability bar is up or down is another nice perk of this. I hope this overview helps make your decision. Now go get your steps in.